Okay, I wanted to make my own essential oil like inhaler tubes because we love using eucalyptus, and I bought this set so all my kids can have their own and nobody has to share any because that's kind of gross. It came with these that I haven't used yet. I don't even think I've used these. My 3-year-old loves these, but so you don't have to touch these, I suppose. But I usually just grab, I pulled one out, I usually just grab my wick, that's just what I call it, and I put it in the tube like that, and then I'll just add my oils. I'll just drip them straight in there so I don't even have to touch anything. And then you just pop this on the back and you're done. So here is what the inhaler part looks like. They twist on and off. And here's what it looks like. It has a hole in the top. And if this is in there, then that is what it looks like. So it's all coming out and easy to use, easy to refill, just all around. This is a great set, and it comes with like 100 of them. So I'm not going to run out anytime soon. These are awesome.